It is a situational question, and in this question, I try to, give you multiple aspects of a scenario. But if you look at the overall question, I already gave you the answer that how you deal these kind of things. So first of all, if you are managing this kind of project with that much sensitivity, one of the key thing is how you involve or engage people formally and informally. Yes, you have to do lot of networking and you have to get feedback officially and unofficially. It's not like that, I'm going to follow the project by the book. There is no such thing like that. So you are doing the great job. You are getting the feedback formally and formally, joining multiple or meeting multiple people in different networking groups. That way you have this valuable input. So I am purposely in this question, I did not contest the authenticity of this information. So what we are assuming in this question is that the information that you got from the assistant to Prime Minister is perfectly fine. Now, what would be your next, course of action? So option number A says ignore the feedback as, Prime Minister did not give you himself or he did not talk to you directly. So it's not necessary. When you are doing these kind of projects, it's not necessary that senior officials or officials like them, are going to directly talk about their concerns to you. They are very reserved kind of people. So option number A is not right. Option number B says, update information in stakeholder register. Yes, you will do it, but this is not the job that you just update it and sit relax. No, you cannot just sit and relax. Do you? Do you think? I believe no, right? So option number B is also the wrong option. Option number C says, review the engagement assessment matrix for variance analysis. It is one of the best thing to do that, how we, set the criteria, how we define that we are going to engage our resistant stakeholder to a supportive stakeholder, or a supportive stakeholder to a leading stakeholder, or a supportive stakeholder to a leading stakeholder. So, your engagement assessment matrix helps you to identify the variances in your course of action, variances in what you are doing, variances in your, the strategies, and then based on those variances, you can replan what you need to do, or you can update your stakeholder engagement plan and do as you have identified and as you need to do based on the new information. So with this concept, option number C is the best answer by giving the overall scenario. Option number D says directly talk to Prime Minister about his concern. You see, Prime Minister is not your sponsor. Prime Minister is not your customer. He is maybe you can say is an indirect stakeholder because he's not directly involved in the project, but his stakes are there. Maybe he wants to gain some political mileage out of it. So you cannot just go directly and talk about it. Sir, you are not happy and I got to know about somebody. You can't do it. You need to do it in a different way. So option number D is outrightly wrong. Thank you. Those who have answered it correctly through understanding, congratulations. For others, I hope it helped.